Hi everyone, this is a demonstration about how to use the solid modeling tools in SketchUp to create objects that curve in more than one direction at a time. So let's go have a look. So we're trying to create some objects like these, and you'll notice that they're both curved. The edges of them are curved, like around here, and they're also curved in the third dimension, so you know the surface kind of undulates. So to do this, I'm going to use these curves here, and this is the shape that I'm going to curve. Right. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to take this object here, this surface, and I'm going to extrude it using the push-pull tool, and it's going to make it nice and tall like that. Then I want to create what we're trying to create first of all is this kind of setup here. And so to do that, I want to take these curves here, and I'm going to offset them. So if you look underneath the push-pull tool, you'll see that there's the offset tool here, and we can offset these curves hopefully. There we go. So select them all and then offset them. So in this case, I don't know, I'll just offset them 300 mils, let's say, like that, and then now I'm going to join them together. There and there. So we want to make sure that I have a curve, a flat surface here. So this is a flat surface, and I know that because it's filled in when I close the loop. So now again with this, I'm just going to select the surface and use the push-pull tool to pull it out, let's say like that. So now I can take this whole object, make that into a group, and take this object and make that into a group. And now I want to intersect them, right? So we're going to use the solid tools. These are the solid tools here. But first we've got to obviously line them up. So I'm going to use my rotate tool to rotate.
The teacher feedback thing that's on the slide, do I need to get at least yes on, like, for all three to pass?
Yeah.
Okay.
So sorry about that. So let's see. We're going to rotate this in this direction here. Basically lie it down. Slip that to the red direction, and then move this so that it intersects. Something like that. Now it's really important that it actually intersects properly, and I'm noticing that this is not long enough to extend the full length. So what I'm going to do is going to go back to the scaling tool, and going to move it again. Move it to the side here. Say there. Select this object and scale it again. So pull it so that it's the right sort of length. I might pull it this way a little bit as well. Yeah. So what I want is for it to be fully enclosed or fully intersecting. Right. So now that's done. If I wanted to give it some more curvature or some more semblance of movement, I could also angle it again, but this time in this direction. So let's see. Yeah, so let's say like something like this, for example, might be interesting. So now I have this. Right, so now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to choose my solid tool. I'm pretty sure I want this one. I want the intersection one. So basically what's going to happen is it's going to delete everything of this object except where the two objects intersect. So intersect, and then this is the first group, that's the second group. And now it creates that shape there. And so you can see it undulates in one direction, and then it's got an interesting shape in the top direction. And that is basically it. So hopefully that was helpful. And let me know if you've got any questions or problems with this.